Welcome to Mykonos, the crown jewel of the Greek islands. Known for its whitewashed buildings, winding cobblestone streets, and vibrant blue domes, Mykonos is truly a slice of paradise. Whether you're strolling through the charming alleys of Mykonos Town or relaxing on the golden sands of Paradise Beach, there's magic waiting around every corner. Take in the stunning views of the Aegean Sea, savor mouth-watering Greek cuisine, and don't miss the iconic windmills overlooking the island. At sunset, the skies light up in breathtaking hues of pink and orange, perfect for an unforgettable evening. And when the sun goes down, Mykonos comes alive with world-class nightlife, offering something for everyone, from laid-back cocktail bars to energetic beach clubs. Get ready for an adventure full of beauty, culture, and unforgettable moments.
Standing proudly on the hill overlooking Mykonos Town, the iconic Mykonos windmills are one of the island's most recognizable landmarks. These charming white structures with their traditional thatched roofs have been a symbol of the island's rich history for centuries. Originally built in the 16th century, the windmills harnessed the Aegean winds to grind grain, playing a vital role in the island's economy. Today, they serve as a picturesque reminder of Mykonos' past and offer one of the most stunning panoramic views of the town and the sparkling blue sea below. At sunset, the windmills become even more magical as the golden light bathes them in a warm glow, making it the perfect spot for photos and unforgettable memories. Don't miss this iconic piece of Mykonos history on your visit to the island.
The story goes back to 1958 when a local fisherman found a wounded pelican and decided to rescue the charming creature. Little did he know that this bid would become the island's most favorite mascot. The Panagia Turliani is the most important monastery of Mykonos and the patron saint of the island.